bagong pintura, pininturahan ko ng back to black para maganda din naman siya. What's up mga boss? Kumusta? Magandang araw sa inyo. So, nanguhuli na naman ng mga aftermarket ng pipes, yung mga police, enforcers at LTO dito sa Cebu City. So, magbabalik stock ulit tayo ngayon. Ito as of July 19, 2026. Kaliwat kanan pa rin yung checkpoints. So, maraming nahuhuli na mga motor natin na mga naka-aftermarket na pipe. So, ito, medyo makalawang na yung stock na natin tambucho. So, pipinturahan natin ito gamit ang Boss back to black. Tignan natin kung maganda ba yung magiging resulta. Tara, let's go.
If I die young, bury me inside and lay me down on a bed of roses. Sink me.
Tinanggal natin yung yung mga boss. Itong parang cover niya. Yan, para malinisan natin.
If I die young, bury me inside and lay me down on a bed of roses. Sink me in the river at dawn. Send me away with the words of a love song. She got that good, she Michael Jackson bad. I'm attracted to her for her attractive ass. And now we're murderers because we kill the time. I knock her lights out and she still shine. I hate to see her go, but I love to watch her leave. But I keep her running back and forth like a soccer team. Cold as a winter day, hot as a summer's eve. Young money thieves, steal your love and leave.
I like the way you walking if you're walking my way. I'm that Red Bull, now let's fly away. Let's buy a place with all kind of space. I let you be the judge and then I'm the case. I'm gooder. I put her under. I see me with her. No Stevie Wonder. She don't even wonder, cause she knows she bad. And I got a nigga grocery bag.
If I die young, bury me inside and lay me down on a bed of roses. Sink me in the river at dawn. Send me away with the words of a love song. Man, if I could sing, I keep singing this song to my daughter. If I could hit the notes, I blow something as long as my father, to show her how I feel about her, how proud I am that I got her. God, I'm a daddy, I'm so glad that her mom didn't. Now you probably get this picture from my public persona, that I'm a pistol packing drug addict who bags on his mama. But I wanna just take this time out to be perfectly honest, cause there's a lot of shit I keep bottled that hurts deep inside my soul. And just know that I grow colder the older I grow. This boulder on my shoulder gets heavy and harder to hold, and this load is like the weight of the world, and I think my neck is breaking. Should I just give up or try to live up to these expectations? Now look, I love my daughter more than life itself, but I got a wife that's determined to make my life live in hell, but I handle it.
Ayan mga boss, so ito na yung finished product natin pagkatapos pinturahan ng Boss back to black. So kanina talagang kitang-kita yung yung kalawang dito sa part na to, pero ngayon talagang wala na. Ayan, mukhang bago na talaga siya. So yung lang naman, yung parang technique is daanan nyo ulit siguro mga 3 times. Yan. So nagkasya lang naman boss yung yung isang bote na maliit na may sobra pa nga, hindi pa nga naubos. So kayang-kaya naman kahit isa lang yung bilhin, pero mas maganda may extra para baka may gusto pa kayong pinturahan, at least meron pang extra. Yan, goods na goods mga boss, bili kayo, check nyo yung yellow basket. So ito yung stock natin mga boss. Yan, bagong pintura, pininturahan ko ng back to black para maganda din naman siya.
You know, there's a story behind it, that saloon. 20 years ago, 2 outlaws took this whole town over. Sheriffs couldn't stop them. Quickest damn gunslingers I've ever seen got murdered in cold
Yan,
blood.
na-install na natin yung stock na tambutso
They say the
natin.
ghosts of bad and evil still live in that tavern, and on a quiet night you can still hear the footsteps of Slim Shady.
Makinabagay pa rin talaga yung stock
Royce the 5'9".
sa motor natin.
I don't
So,
speak
syempre,
so
mag-sound check tayo.
I'm not a real person, I'm a ghost trapped in the beat. I translate when my voice is read through a stage.
Nako, wala na, na-drain na yung battery.
Trapping in his room, possess him and hoist his bed till the evilness flows through his blood like poisonous lead. Told him each one of his boys dead. I asked him to come to the dark side. He made a choice and said,
Ano, so kickstart tayo.
We can get in two cars and accelerate
Tayo
each
natin
other to see
kickstart.
which one to swerve first. Two blind bandits panic, mental capacity holds that of a globe on top of 9 other planets. Kiss the cheek of the devil. Intelligence level is hellier than treble peaking on speakers in the ghetto. Dismissal, I'm not a fair man. Disgrace the race of an atheist. Intercepting missiles with my bare hands like a patriot. One track slice without swords. I buried the Christ corpse in my past life in the black.
Yan mga boss. So, ito yung tunog ng stock na tambutso natin. Yan. Dito naman yung sa bandang makina. Naman dito sa may bandang ano niya. Ayan mga boss, yan yung tunog ng stock na tambutso natin. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, itong motor natin is more than 4 years na to. More than 4 years old na itong motor natin. Hindi pa na-open yung makina. Never been open. So ganito yung tunog boss. Yan. So, yan lang mga boss. Sana ay hindi tayo mahuhuli ng sa checkpoint dahil sa muffler natin kasi stuck naman na. So, yun lang mga boss. Papalo naman yun mga boss and ride safe always.